Where possible, lift the vehicle using a ramp or jack. Raising the vehicle makes it easier to fit ZALLOYS, but it is possible to fit with the vehicle on the ground. ZALLOYS kits should be stored at room temperature, and it is important that your fitting area is at least 5 degrees centigrade. If the product is too cold, it won't stick to the wheels as well. And if the wheels are below 5 degrees Celsius, condensation forms, which can stop ZALLOYS bonding. Before you begin the application, first, remove any tire shine or tire wax by wiping with clean blue roll. Use the degreaser wipe to thoroughly clean the wheel rim. Move the wipe back and forth around the wheel. Apply pressure and change to new parts of the wipe regularly. Next, remove the degreaser residue by wiping with clean blue roll. Repeat with a second degreaser wipe. This is important to help remove traces of tire shine or tire wax from the pores of the painted surface. Then use more clean blue roll to remove the degreaser residue again. Once the wheel is free from any residue, wipe thoroughly around the wheel rim with the surface cleaner wipe. Use one wipe per wheel. Be sure to apply pressure and change to different areas of the wipe regularly. When fitting, align the start of the ZALLOYS protector next to the valve. This gives the cleanest look on the wheel. Remove a section of backing tape and position the lip of ZALLOYS protector tightly to the edge of the wheel and press firmly. The lip of the ZALLOYS protector must remain tight to the edge of the rim all the way around the wheel. It should not be positioned above the wheel rim as it may be impacted by the tire when driving, causing detachment. Remove more backing tape and repeat until there is approximately 5 centimeters of the wheel rim left to cover. Once the ZALLOYS have been fitted, apply pressure firmly, using clean blue roll to press out any air bubbles. Repeat the process for each wheel on the vehicle. To apply the clips, put a thin bead of adhesive between the 2 circles at each end of the clip. Put adhesive into all 4 clips before opening the clip activator wipe. Wipe the ends of the ZALLOYS with the clip activator wipe and then install the clips. The clip activator helps to make sure the clip is held flush against the ZALLOYS. Without this, the clip can pull away before the glue dries, potentially causing a detachment. Press the clip firmly until it is flush with the protector and hold for 20 seconds. Wipe away any excess glue. Finally, leave the vehicle for at least 2 hours before driving. This will give the adhesive time to cure. Following these steps will give the most reliable results with ZALLOYS.